Hello everybody, my name is Gigan, and today we are going to cook something, but first, title sequence. Welcome back. Today on Cooking with Gigan, we are going to make my world famous tomato brisket. Tomato bisque soup. There you go. Anyway, joining me today are special guests, Godzilla.
Hi everybody, it's me, Godzilla. Yahoo! I'm so excited. Yeah.
Anyway, today we're gonna make tomato biscuit, and here is what it looks like. That does look mighty fine. Yes, it does. So anyway, we are going to make that. So, what you want to do is when you go to your farmer's market or wherever market, supermarket, wherever you want to go, and you want to get these bad boys. Godzilla, bring out the tomatoes.
Oh, whoop-de-doo, look, oh, tomatoes, oh my god, oh no, oh my god.
Listen, can you be a little more enthusiastic, please? I don't want to cut your dick off. Anyway, yes, so here we have the nice tomatoes, and now let's reveal them. So yes, here they are, some nice, freshly made tomatoes. So now, what you want to do is, you want to get your fucking knife hand, and you just want to stab the shit out of it. You know, just keep stabbing it, you know.
Gigan?
Shut up, Godzilla. I'm trying to squish motherfucker.
No, wait, Gigan, stop, please.
Why did my mother leave me behind? Why did she keep doing this?
Whatever, screw this.
So then, after a nice firm beating, your tomato should look like this. It's very delicious, right? Let's try it. These are persimmons. They're pretty good.